G'day guys, my name is Will and with my wife Emily, we own and run Proximity Plumbing based within the Eastern Suburbs local community. I've got the privilege of having Di here from Trelease Associates to go through some of the things that we feel sets us apart from everyone else within the local Eastern Suburbs community.
I met Proximity Plumbing by actually seeing your vans everywhere, funnily enough. And it came a time starting up on the business that we needed some assistance from a plumber. Therefore I called you guys and Emily happened to answer the phone. Instantly hit it off with her. She's an absolute boss of a woman. The job wasn't a huge job or an emergency, but Emily's instant attention to get out there and get the job done really quickly really caught my eye, and have used you guys ever since. I've been in property management for over 20 years. And I found within the industry that the level of service to landlords and tenants have always been a lower standard. 9 months ago, I met Dan Trelease and we've created a property management department where we want to bring property management to a boutique level.
When Di and I met, the idea behind Trelease Associates Property Management was service, and it was all about the level of service. A level of unsurpassed service that Australians are not typically used to. From your past, from my past, international experience, we've realised that Australians don't actually expect a high level of service. And that's something that we wanted to add to property management, which we don't believe there would be a competitor for. That's why it's growing at the rate it is, and that's why we're now expanding. So this for us is about service, service, service. That's why you're here.
People in the Eastern Suburbs are short on time. They've got high expectations and they want things done now. We deliver that by offering a 30-minute response time, and we find that people within the Eastern Suburbs are a tight-knit community and we have to go above and beyond, because if you do something wrong by one client, it's very easy that it's going to be spread and your reputation will be tarnished.
Unfortunately for a lot of landlords, I believe that property management had become a forgotten industry. That's why I'm so passionate about delivering the best level of service, and that's why I've been so excited to engage with you guys, because I believe that you guys mirror image the service that we provide for our landlords and tenants.
I think it all comes down to our level of synergy. I think we both appreciate and understand that your landlords have high expectations, which is fine, and we want to deliver on our promise.
Thanks, Will. I think that's true. It is super important to look after our landlords, our tenants, and our tradespeople.